traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this is like a three-way pattern up for a W, three ways down for an X. I believe we're in an ABC of wave Y, which I think is going to go up to the 161 to 198% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I believe to be a wave B, to finish off a wave C of wave Y. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see what I believe is an uptrend right here. I think it's all part of a wave A. I think this is like a WXY most likely for the wave B. And I think we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C to form that wave C of wave Y pattern I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do believe this is a 1, I believe this is a 2, and I still think this is a wave 3. I don't even think the wave 3 is over. I still believe the wave 3 needs to go up to like the 261 to 223 area, which is a Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2, which is where I believe the most likely place for a wave 3 to end will be. Most likely just a wave 3 of wave 1, unlike the weekly and the monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have that 3, 4, 5 shape right here. But for me, it's definitely not the end of a trend until we get a break of structure to the downside. If we break structure to the downside, then I would say that's obviously the end of this move up. But until that happens, I would be looking at this move down as possibly a correction to the uptrend. I am definitely bullish, and I am definitely still going to continue to look for longs, especially on shorter time frames. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where I have my Fibonacci retracement just on the last little series of higher highs, higher lows, which is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am looking, like I said, at this move down as possibly a correction. We do have a 61% fib bounce. I would like to either see a higher low, maybe on like the 15 or 30 minute time frame, like a higher low, or I would like to see a break of structure to the upside to really confirm that this thing is going up, because this is pretty impulsive down. It actually could turn into an ABC, maybe end up looking something like this to make a more traditional looking ABC correction before it really does end up continuing the uptrend, especially with the fact that today is Monday, and Monday can often be a pretty slow day. It seems pretty likely that it will go up and make a B and then back down to make a wave C. But like I always say, sometimes when we believe there's a wave B, we'll just keep on trending up. So definitely be cautious that the trend could just keep on going, but also be cautious because it could make a proper ABC before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.